Ladies and all guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go to this meet. Actually, it's a meet in the day, so that'll be interesting. Check out this meet. There's a little cruise. I got a couple things to do before, so I got to do that, but we're actually gonna take the GTI. Oh, see what happens, because should be a good time. I don't know, we'll see what's there. Let's go. Oh my god, there's only 5 people here to cruise. Wait, nobody here? Oh, there's like 5 cars. Let's go, buddy. That is funny. Alright guys, so we got GTI 5.0 F-Type Speed 3.
Gonna talk about the ride a little bit. So wrap around here, guys.
Nice. Alright, got the route.
You should have a C60.
Spot here's Matthew 4.2. I think this is.
I'm really trying to run that F-Type, y'all. Really trying to run this F-Type. I ran him last year. I want to run him again. And I'll be good and I'll go whole. But I just want to run this F-Type. Let's go. Pause. Before we get ahead of ourselves, I'm going to show you guys how I did when I ran this dude last year. Now keep in mind, we both have the exact same setup, same cars, same dudes, same everything. So last year when I ran this dude, I was rocking 18x9 JNC 005 wheels wrapped in Nitto Neogen tires. This year, the car's rocking 17x8 Konig Hypergrams wrapped in Nitto NT555 R2 tires. That's enough of me talking, guys. Check out how I did last year, and we'll see how much better I do this year. Let's get it. Let's go. Yo, these tires are lit, yo. Yeah, that was a good ride. You guys, these tires are game changer. Now, we're like neck and neck, so that's pretty sweet. Yeah, man. Not bad, not bad. Now we're in no man's land here, guys. construction zones are whack. So nice here though. I don't have my pops bags, so nobody can hear me. The only thing I can do is this, y'all. Whack. I'll go home. Alright, so I got some other stuff to do today, guys, so I had to go home, but to get that running with the F-Type, which made it all worth it. So I'm on my way home now, so I'm like, you know what, might as well just go straight and go home. So that's what I'm gonna do. You guys, let me know what you think in the comments. It's kind of a short video, but definitely a pretty good runs with that. Really good run with that F-Type. I wish we had more room. Maybe I'll catch him in Mexico. For now, guys, going back into the best state in the world. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.